Welcome to Auto Supercar. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the world of high-performance vehicles, adrenaline-pumping races, and cutting-edge automotive technology. Buy now these cutting-edge car gadgets. Find the link in the description and take your journey to the next level. Buckle up and join us for an exhilarating journey. Number 1. Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Introducing the ultimate car repair companion, the Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. With the strength to tackle any task, from car suspension to wheel nuts, and the intelligence to make your work a breeze, it's like having a superhero by your side. Say goodbye to cords and hello to freedom as you conquer every repair with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this kit will revolutionize the way you work on your car, making every job more enjoyable and rewarding. Number 2. All-Season Washer Fluid. Revolutionize your driving experience with our all-season washer fluid. Powered by cutting-edge Rain-X technology, it's not just a cleaner, it's your windshield's best defense against the elements. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to crystal-clear visibility, even in the harshest conditions. With anti-freeze capabilities down to -1 degree Fahrenheit, it's your trusty companion through every season. Don't settle for ordinary. Elevate your driving with our premium solution for safer, more enjoyable journeys. Number 3. Autel Maxi Charger Home. Introducing the Autel Maxi Charger Home, where sleek design meets cutting-edge technology. With lightning-fast Level 2 charging, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth control, it's the ultimate convenience for EV owners. Safety features ensure worry-free charging, while compatibility with all major EV models makes it a must-have for individuals and businesses alike. Join the revolution and elevate your electric driving experience today. Number 4. Hitch and Go Car. Tired of struggling with heavy loads and limited space? Say hello to the Hitch and Go Car, your ultimate cargo solution. This compact and lightweight trailer easily attaches to your car's hitch, ready to handle anything from construction materials to bags of trash. With a hefty 500-pound capacity and removable sides, loading and unloading are a breeze. Plus, its large tires ensure a smooth ride on any terrain, while the adjustable handlebar makes maneuvering effortless, even in tight spots. Crafted from durable steel alloy and powder-coated for protection, this trailer is built to last. Whether you're a frequent hauler or just need extra space, the Hitch and Go Car is your go-to for easy, reliable, and safe transportation of heavy loads. Number 5. Jack Oil with Stop Leak. Introducing Jack Oil with Stop Leak, your hydraulic jack's best friend. Say goodbye to messy leaks and hello to smooth operations with this powerful solution. It stops leaks dead in their tracks and shields your jack from future ones, all without causing corrosion or foaming. Compatible with all oil types, it's the secret weapon to keep your jack performing at its best, saving you time and money on repairs. Number 6. Practical Elastic Straps. Introducing our Practical Elastic Straps, designed to securely fasten loads in your vehicle or trailer. These 5-meter-long, 4-centimeter-wide straps in bright yellow are hard to miss and crafted from durable material with reinforced edges. At each end, you'll find vinyl-coated hooks that grip securely without damaging your vehicle's surface. The reliable ratchet mechanism, coupled with an ergonomic handle, allows for quick and easy tightening, ensuring your cargo stays firmly in place. With a maximum load capacity of 1,100 pounds and a braking load of 3,300 pounds, these straps are up to any task. Whether you're transporting cargo on land or water, trust these straps to keep everything securely fastened for a safe journey. Number 7. Durable Steel Trailer Lock. Introducing our reliable theft protection solution for trailers and campers, the durable steel lock with a convenient handle and bright warning label. This lock offers robust protection, adding an extra layer of security to your valuable trailer. Its user-friendly design makes installation and removal a breeze, ensuring convenience at every step. The brightly colored warning decal serves as a deterrent to potential thieves, letting them know your vehicle is safeguarded. Simple yet effective, this tool offers peace of mind for commuters, thanks to its reliability, ease of use, and versatility. Protect your investment with confidence using our trailer and camper lock. Number 8. Ultimate Windshield Care Washer Fluid. Experience the ultimate in windshield care with our all-season washer fluid. Engineered to tackle insects, dirt, salt, and even light snow and frost, it keeps your windshield crystal clear in any weather. Thanks to Rain-X technology, it forms a water-repellent film that enhances visibility, ensuring drops roll off without leaving streaks, even in heavy rain. With anti-freeze protection down to -1 Fahrenheit, it's your go-to solution year-round. Plus, one volume lasts a season with daily driving, making it ideal for city streets and highways alike. Enjoy comfortable and safe driving with our all-season washer fluid. Number 9. Compact LED Headlamp. Illuminate your passenger compartment with our compact LED headlamp. Featuring 36 LEDs and easy installation with self-tapping screws, it's a hassle-free upgrade. The convenient on/off button and 4.7-inch color-coded cable ensure simplicity. Enjoy enhanced lighting and low power consumption in your vehicle interior. Number 10. Stylish self-adhesive strips. Elevate your car's style with our stylish self-adhesive strips, perfect for exterior decoration, especially on grills. Each order includes 5 red stickers, each strip measuring 40 centimeters in length and 0.7 centimeters in width. With a strong adhesive layer, they ensure reliable adhesion to any surface. Ideal for Volkswagen Golf and Tiguan radiator grills, these strips add a touch of flair to your vehicle's exterior. Number 11. Drill Bit Set. Introducing our game-changing set of 6 drill bits, engineered for efficiency on metal, wood, and plastic. Compatible with most tools, their innovative design seamlessly blends drilling and tapping functions, saving you time and effort. Perfect for aluminum, wood, and plastic, they're your go-to for fastener work. Ensure a smooth operation by maintaining a straight direction and using lubricant. Plus, their special design guarantees a secure hold and prevents thread breakage, giving you peace of mind as you work. Say hello to convenience and productivity with our versatile drill bit set. Number 12. Smart Key. Introducing our universal smart key with touchscreen for cars, your all-in-one remote control solution. Compatible with all smart cars, it enables you to effortlessly open/close the trunk, lock/unlock the car, and control window operation. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation in just 15 minutes: an instruction manual, antenna for extended range, OBD adapter, and wires. Say hello to seamless control and enhanced convenience with our universal smart key. Number 13. Car Coffee Maker. Introducing the DVC Coffee Car Coffee Maker, your ticket to espresso bliss on the road. Crafted for coffee lovers who crave convenience without sacrificing quality, this sleek gadget brews real espresso right in your car. With its compact design and rechargeable battery, it's perfect for spontaneous road trips or daily commutes. Say goodbye to coffee compromises and hello to your new travel companion. Number 14. Brake Tester. Introducing our brake fluid tester, your go-to tool for quick and accurate assessments of your vehicle's brake fluid condition. With a flexible probe that easily reaches into the reservoir, you can take samples effortlessly. Instant results are displayed on a large backlit screen, visible even at night. Plus, an audible alarm alerts you to excess water, ensuring timely maintenance. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to peace of mind with our brake fluid tester. Number 15. Throttle Controller. Introducing our Throttle Controller, specially crafted for vehicles equipped with electronic throttles. With 3 selectable modes, it's designed to enhance your driving experience. In modern cars with electronic throttle pedals, there's often a delay as the computer processes throttle inputs, causing a lag in acceleration. Our throttle controller eliminates this delay, allowing the engine to respond instantly in sport mode. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and hello to a more responsive driving experience with our throttle controller. Number 16. Frameless Wipers. Introducing our range of inexpensive yet high-quality natural rubber frameless wipers, available in sizes ranging from 14 inches to 26 inches. Designed to fit most vehicles with a standard wiper mount, these wipers offer several advantages. They boast a long service life, excellent cleaning performance, and a snug fit to the glass without causing damage. Plus, their flexible design preserves the aerodynamic characteristics of your vehicle. Upgrade your wipers today for a clearer, smoother driving experience. Number 17. LED flashlight. Introducing our rechargeable LED flashlight, your ultimate lighting companion. With 41 powerful LEDs, it illuminates any task with ease. Its flexible design, complete with magnets and a swivel mount, lets you position it effortlessly. Plus, it's waterproof, shock-resistant, and lasts up to 9 hours on a single charge. Whether you're working on repairs, in your car, or facing low light conditions, this flashlight has you covered in style and reliability. Number 18. T-connectors. Introducing our self-clamping electrical T-connectors, the hassle-free solution for wire connections. Say goodbye to cutting, stripping, and soldering with these innovative connectors. Made of durable brass and PVC, they ensure reliable performance and insulation. Nylon connectors snugly fit over the T-tap connectors to prevent them from falling out, while the plastic housing securely locks onto the wire. With this convenient kit, you can quickly and easily connect any cable in any application, making it a must-have for your vehicle. Say hello to effortless wiring with our self-clamping electrical T-connectors. Number 19. Spark Plug Tester. Introducing our Spark Plug Tester, your go-to tool for diagnosing car breakdowns quickly and accurately. If you're experiencing unstable idling, acceleration stalling, or exhaust pipe pops, a damaged spark plug may be the culprit. Simply wait for the engine to cool down, unscrew the spark plugs, and screw them into the tester. Connect the tester to the electrical network, and by turning the knob, perform a breakdown test. Compact and space-saving, this device is a must-have for your garage, helping you swiftly pinpoint the cause of your car's instability. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precise diagnostics with our spark plug tester. Number 20. OBD2 Scanner. Introducing the Blue Driver OBD2, your modern and user-friendly vehicle diagnostic tool. Wirelessly connecting to your mobile device, it provides comprehensive insights into your vehicle's condition and operation. From real-time engine performance data to diagnosing engine trouble alerts, this tool does it all. With features like reading ABS, SRS, and transmission error codes, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and automotive professionals alike. Get back on the road faster by quickly identifying the cause of your vehicle's malfunction with the Blue Driver OBD2 Scan tool. Number 21. Arcos Box. Introducing the Thule Arcos Box M, the ultimate solution for travelers in need of extra luggage space. This sturdy and reliable luggage carrier attaches effortlessly to your car's tow bar, providing ample protection for your belongings against weather and damage. What sets the Thule Arcos Box M apart is its ease of installation. Simply attach it to the tow bar using the supplied fasteners. Plus, its convenient opening and closing mechanism ensure easy access to your gear whenever you need it. Perfect for vacations with bulky equipment, it helps keep your car cabin clutter-free by providing compact storage. Versatile and compatible with all vehicle types, it's the ideal choice for travelers seeking extra luggage space. With the Thule Arcos Box M, enjoy safe and spacious storage for your belongings while keeping your car interior neat and organized. Number 22. All-in-one Sprayer. Introducing our convenient sprayer, your versatile solution for home, garden, and car detailing tasks. Simply pressurize it with a pump, then choose your spray mode from fine mist to powerful jet and spray wherever needed. Say goodbye to hoses, buckets, and extension cords. No more hand fatigue from manual spraying. The locking feature allows continuous spraying of liquids like polish remover and glass cleaners. Plus, it comes with a sturdy 50-ounce bottle with measuring marks for easy dilution of concentrates. Simplify your spraying tasks with our all-in-one sprayer. Number 23. Tire Pressure Device. Introducing Autel's convenient tire pressure relief device, the automatic valve that ensures quick and accurate tire pressure settings without the need for a gauge. Simply screw it onto the nipple thread instead of the protective cap, and it automatically bleeds off excess air to the set level. Made of durable brass, it's designed for high pressure and works reliably in all weather conditions. Perfect for off-road or sand trips, this device simplifies tire maintenance for hassle-free driving. Number 24. Oil Filters. Introducing Motorcraft Oil Filters, the trusted choice for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, meeting high-quality standards. Designed to protect your engine from abrasive particles, soot, sand, dust, and metal shavings, these filters ensure reliable performance. Equipped with a pressure relief valve, they prevent contaminated oil from flowing back into the engine and maintain proper oil pressure even in low temperatures or with a clogged filter. The steel housing is precisely machined for a perfect fit, painted for corrosion protection, and grooved for easy removal. Trust Motorcraft oil filters for superior engine protection and peace of mind on the road. Number 25 Versatile Pneumatic Pump. Introducing our versatile pneumatic pump, the ultimate solution for quick suction of used oil or other liquids with ease. This professional-grade pump works effortlessly with a compressor or manually, making it a favorite among car mechanics and service professionals. Complete with a 1.5-gallon tube, drain tube, dipstick, extensions, suction hose, and user manual, it's everything you need for hassle-free maintenance. Whether you own a car, motorcycle, lawnmower, tractor, or boat, this pump empowers you to take control of your oil changes and save money in the process. Say goodbye to costly service visits and hello to DIY maintenance with our pneumatic pump kit. Thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure through the world of automotive excellence. Don't forget to hit the link in the description to get your hands on these cutting-edge car gadgets and take your ride to the next level. Until next time, stay tuned for more thrilling updates from Auto Supercar.